Welcome back, y'all. I'm standing because I have a bunch of stuff on the table and I'm not cleaning it up because I'm in the midst of like a craft hype. So I really wanted to open this because I'm trying to see if I can wear it today. Well, that's really why. So hopefully it fits over this hair. Obviously it's a hat since I'm saying that, right? Any telling details in here? No. Okay, good. All right, so I like bucket hats. Well, I like hats in general, but my hair is always like super big, so I never really can wear it. I got this from I think his name's Kevin. Yes, Kevin, Suh Fi True. He does like the motivational like little videos with like words of encouragement and affirmation and stuff like that. He's Jamaican, and I saw this hat on his thing and I was like, I like this. It says Suh Fi True. Oh wow, right there, True, Suh Fi True. Like Suh Fi True, man. Like, yeah, so I thought it was cute, and it's a little black distressed hat. See if it fits me. Nope, it's not gonna work with this. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to like force it. Well, it doesn't feel tight. I might. We'll see how I feel. If I decide to wear it, I'll post a picture after this of the full look with the hat and such. But I fuck with it. I have this thing about like being incognito. So like all you can see is like this part of my face, really. So that's part of the reasons why I like hats and why my hair is always like in my face. I was actually trying to cut bangs for this, but can't bother. Anyways, that's all I got for you. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to do the unboxing so that I can put on a hat and see if it works. But there it is. It's me. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I did not turn on the light again, but make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you are up to date with the podcast. I have been dropping video. And yeah, just like everything else we do here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Unmolding, Pointless Unboxing, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unboxing. Bye.